Since you won't let me get there physically, then maybe you'll let me get there through free camera mode. So basically we'll just fly to the island in free camera mode here. And just take a look at this magnificent volcano. So here we are over the island, flying through the clouds. Coming into closer view of the volcano. I mean, there's such an open amount of space here. I'm just surprised that Bethesda didn't make this part of the Solstheim area accessible. I mean, I could see, like, closing off the very top of the volcano so that your character wouldn't fall in and, end up dying. But I mean, look at how much accessible land is here on this island. It just seems strange to me that Bethesda didn't make this part of the DLC, equally accessible for the gamers. Okay, so here we are, closer and closer to this amazing, magnificent volcano structure. And watching this literal huge tower of volcanic ash is rising. That's just magnificent. This huge tower and billowing volcanic ash rising into the sky like that. And of course, back that way is Solstheim. Let's get a closer view of the the plumes of ash. Wow, that's just remarkable. Let's see here. And this is going down into the volcano. Pretty amazing. Whoops. And let's see, let's get beyond the volcano ridge here. So there you have it, folks. Amazing volcano. But yeah, this would be such a remarkable, I mean, there's just so much game territory here to have adventures in. Here's the side of the mountain, the side of the volcano. There she is. Okay, let's get back to regular camera. Well, there you are, Lydia. We just took a picturesque trip to the volcano.